Shit. UnPlug. Niggas wondering where I've been. I ain't go nowhere. Change up, nah, I ain't change up. Been to Hollywood and back, dog, still the same plug. Alcoholic pothead, still deal with anger. Them dudes right there behind me, they're my day one. Been with me since day one. Promise when the day come, victory is ours. If I win, then that mean day one. No new friends, no new friends, no new friends, no new family affair. I ain't related to you. Yeah, I did it for my moms, did it for my dog. French Lil Weeze, Rick Ross, I'm a boss. Picasso, music, that's what I bought. Now I got a phenom and I swear I knew the outcome. Dropped a couple singles, now they feeling for the album. Granny, I done did it, motherfuck them dudes that doubted. Swimming, switching women, they at home alone pouting. Swimming, switching women, they at home alone pouting.
Let's switch up on these niggas. Fuck you pay me. Don't make dollars on the sense that it ain't me. Niggas say I changed, cause my change long lanky. Laughing at these niggas all the way to where the bank me. Switched up on these niggas. Fuck you pay me. Don't make dollars on the sense that it ain't me. Niggas say I changed, cause my change long lanky. Laughing at these niggas all the way to where the bank me.
Yeah, I'm here, and I ain't going nowhere. Herpes, doing me until the day when all these pussies murk me. Team right behind them, we all got it on. I won't go into specifics in the words of the song. Probably fuck around, get dieted from the way that we put on. If you know me, then you know me, then you know my money long. If she know me, then she leave her sprung, left with a crush. Time's money, motherfucker, so I'm always in the rush. 9-9, swear to God, we was weighing it up. Had a couple downfalls, but I stayed getting up. Can't hold a black man down, I'm determined as fuck. You should see how many people telling me to get up. Nope, nah, nigga, never had no jack. Took a few years off, now I'm back to rap. Google I am UnPlug and the proofs in that. Said the facts be facts, ain't no confusing that.
Had to switch up on these niggas. Fuck you pay me. Don't make dollars on the sense that it ain't me. Niggas say I changed, cause my change long lanky. Laughing at these niggas all the way to where the bank me. Switched up on these niggas. Fuck you pay me. Don't make dollars on the sense that it ain't me. Niggas say I changed, cause my change long lanky. Laughing at these niggas all the way to where the bank me.
I'm everywhere, you never there. Then you scared. You talk that hood shit, but you hiding, you inside your crib. We out here, sun up to sundown. Run up, your gun down. Fuck is you talking about, bitch? This shit is deeper than rap. All the blood, sweat, tears I invested in it. Time wasted all the years I put into this shit. My nigga A was right there, but we did this. Now the convo sippin' Naki and we just reminisce. Seen it. Came a long way from the Ville, real recognized, real, that's why I fuck with you still. But 2013, said this year right here, I'ma fucking run around and run straight in the deal. The moment's right, shit, my momentum's up to par. The ambitions of a rapper trying to make it to the top. Motivation, colorblind, don't see red, I'll never stop.
Had to switch up on these niggas. Fuck you pay me. Don't make dollars on the sense that it ain't me. Niggas say I changed, cause my change long lanky. Laughing at these niggas all the way to where the bank me. Switched up on these niggas. Fuck you pay me. Don't make dollars on the sense that it ain't me. Niggas say I changed, cause my change long lanky. Laughing at these niggas all the way to where the bank me. Yeah, all the way to where the bank me. Laughing at these niggas all the way to where the bank be. Yeah, all the way to where the bank be. Laughing at these niggas all the way to where the bank be. You fucking bitch ass niggas.